let me show you how to factory hard reset your Huawei Band 9. So, for example, if you simply want to use it with another phone, or maybe give it to someone else, or sell it, or return it, you have to basically return it to the factory settings and delete your data and stuff like that. So, the way you do it, you can swipe from up to down like this till you get access to this menu. Then click on the settings tab here basically, and scroll pretty much all the way down till you can see this systems and updates. Okay, then scroll down and click the reset button, and yep, click that, and this process will pretty much return the watch to the factory state, and you'll need to sync with your phone once more. And if you want to turn it off, basically at this stage, you can press and hold this power button basically for some time, basically till this appears, and then you can power it off and send it to someone if you need to. Anyway, this is how I do it on this Huawei Band 9. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!